Insanity at its finest. Firestarter, riot maker, moon-stricken, animal in need, bad seed, untamable.
Everybody around me always think they know what's going on inside my mind. Think I'm Mr. Nice Guy all the time. I didn't say on diary, you think you know, but you have no idea.
CMO is with me, let's make more growth. We will be shaking your flow. Come against me, that's a no-no.
Alright, what's up YouTube? Today we have a unboxing video of my brand new Schutt or Schutt, I don't know which one. Schutt, yeah, butcher knife. DNA Pro Plus football helmet. That new face mask and visor. So this is my first look at it. Let's take out the visor first, I guess. DNA-EGOP-II. I mean my face mask. New DNA-EGOP-II football face mask. So this isn't, exactly what I ordered, but it works. On the one I ordered, it's supposed to have 2 bars right here, but this one only has 1. But I don't really care. It's still sick visor and everything. Face mask. Sorry. We have this, and that, a new Oakley visor. Of course, the DNA football helmet itself, and just a paper, a receipt. Alright, so let's open up the DNA. First. Wow, this is sweet. So, DNA comes with a look. Sorry, I'm looking at it, not you guys. Look inside. Everything for Schutt. Yeah. And a chin strap for the DNA helmet itself. Yeah. Alright, now inside the Oakley visor, it just opens up easily like this, and wow. What? Oh. What? Oh. Huh. Sorry, this is kind of confusing me. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up, but yeah, you can see myself in it because I'm actually recording from a laptop, and that's the mirror tint. The screws to get it on and everything. A little thing to clean it, and the decals to put on it, put right here. A instruction manual on how to put it on, and yeah. So right now I'm just gonna see what the helmet itself looks like with the new face mask on it. Pretty sick. Alright. So, thank you for watching. I have a new video when it's all assembled.
I can tell you're a woman's wanting for Donnie on the dance floor all the way in VIP.
I'm a rapper, I can catch her, and she will leave with me because of my stature. Now everybody